Hello, everyone. Today, we are talking about someone truly inspiring, Nelson Mandela. He is a leader who didn't just dream of change, he made it happen. His story teaches us about bravery, leadership, and hope. Are you ready to learn? Let's go. Nelson Mandela was born in South Africa in 1918. When he grew up, he saw how unfairly black people were treated under apartheid. The phrase, unfairly black people, means black individuals were treated unjustly or unequally compared to others. They weren't allowed to go to the same schools or even live in the same neighborhoods as white people. Mandela decided to fight for equality and justice. He joined a group that worked to change these unfair laws peacefully. But standing up for justice wasn't easy. Mandela was sent to prison for 27 years because of his activism. Imagine that. 27 years. But he never gave up. After he was released, Mandela became South Africa's first black president in 1994. He helped bring people together and showed the world that forgiveness is powerful. His leadership changed South Africa forever and made him a global symbol of peace and equality. Now, let's learn some new words from Mandela's story. 1. Activism, noun. Working hard to bring social or political change. Example: she joined a group to fight for environmental activism. 2. Equality, noun. When everyone is treated the same, no matter who they are. Example: we believe in equality for all people. 3. Forgiveness, noun. Letting go of anger or blame. Example: forgiveness can heal many problems. Nanga. Leadership, noun. The ability to guide and inspire others. Example: good leadership is important for a strong team. Einde. Inspire, verb. To encourage someone to feel or do something great. Example: his story will inspire you to work hard. Grammar point. Let's practice using the past tense. When we talk about things that happened in the past, we usually add ed to regular verbs. For example, Mandela worked to end apartheid. He inspired millions. Some verbs are irregular, like go, went, or see, saw. Mandela went to prison for 27 years. He saw the importance of equality. Thank you for learning about English with Nelson Mandela story. Remember, like Mandela, you can be a leader and make the world a better place. See you next time. Subscribe for more.